Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your home every week? Do you wish there was an easier way to keep your floors clean? Look no further than the ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner. In this video, we'll show you how this innovative cleaning device can be the ultimate solution to your cleaning woes. The ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner is designed to navigate around your home, avoiding obstacles and cleaning all types of floors, from hardwood to carpet. It's equipped with powerful suction and advanced sensors that ensure it doesn't miss a spot. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around and store. In this video, we'll take you through the features of the ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner and show you how it works in real-life scenarios. You'll see how it effortlessly cleans up dirt, dust, and pet hair, leaving your floors looking spotless. We'll also cover the pros and cons of this device and give you our honest opinion on whether it's worth the investment. If you're tired of spending too much time cleaning your floors, the ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner might be the perfect solution for you. Watch this video to learn more about this innovative cleaning device and how it can help you keep your home clean without breaking a sweat. The ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the ultimate solution to your cleaning woes. This innovative device is designed to navigate around your home, avoiding obstacles and cleaning all types of floors, from hardwood to carpet. Equipped with powerful suction and advanced sensors, the ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner effortlessly cleans up dirt, dust, and pet hair, leaving your floors looking spotless. In this video, we'll show you how the ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner works in real-life scenarios. We'll take you through the features of the device and provide technical specifications and details. You'll see how it cleans effectively and efficiently on different surfaces of dirt. We'll also discuss user reviews and feedback, and provide tips and recommendations for using the device effectively.